Hello, everyone, and welcome to Intro to Drawing, which has moved onto Canvas. I'm Amy John, and I am the Liberal Arts Department Chair as well as Professor of Social Sciences. And I, along with your Vice President, Jen Kenoyer, are going to be navigating through the remainder of the course with you. What I first wanted to do is make sure that when you log into Canvas, you read the last announcement that was made this morning. I sent some updated information about the class, and Jen and I are working because Tyler unfortunately cannot continue on with the class, and we wanted to help him to be able to finish out the class for you guys. So when you log into Canvas, you'll see it looks a little bit different. I'm trying to kind of get it up and going. What I want you to do is take a look over here at the modules section. So as I click on the modules section over here, it will take us into this area. And what you'll see from your student view here is that I've added this first module here. I know that Tyler's last communication with you had to do with a drawing assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this discussion board. What I did was I took the information from the last email that he sent and I put it in here in blue. And what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to post that creation of yours, your drawing, into the discussion board so that everyone in the class can see and then we can comment on that. So what I'd like you to do might be a little bit different from other ways that you've attached images in the past. But let's see if we can get this to work. That way when we open the discussion board, we can see everyone's drawing in one place as we scroll through. So the first thing that you're going to do, and this is going to look a little bit different for you, is you're going to click on your account over here in the left-hand side. First, obviously, make sure that you take a photo of your drawing. Then, once you've uploaded that either into your phone, your tablet, or your computer into some kind of a file, you're going to want to get that into your Canvas file. So what you do is you're going to click on this account area, and this looks a little bit different, but yours should have an area that says File or My Files or Canvas Files. What you're going to do is you're going to open that up. You are going to click on the image and find that in your computer wherever you've saved it, and you're going to upload it into that file area. Once you've done that and you make sure that that image is found in your file, you're going to come back over here to the discussion board. So again, this is a two-step process. First, you're uploading your photo into your files on Canvas through your account. Then you're scrolling down here in the discussion board. You're going to click Reply, and you're going to look for this little image right here that looks like a landscape or a little mountain with a sun or moon. You're going to click on that. That's going to bring you to this window right here. Once you are in this window, you're going to move over and be sure you click on Canvas. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see the files that you've uploaded. So you're going to open this file. You're going to choose the picture that you want to share with the rest of the class. You're going to click Upload. And then you are going to click Update. Now for me, since I was just using this as an example, it added this little tiny square here. Underneath that, I can type something. And then you scroll down and you're going to click Post Reply. Then you can see your name will be here where Test Student is, and you'll be able to see your picture as well as whatever it is you decided to type underneath your picture. So obviously mine is this little tiny square, but yours won't look like that. Yours will look like an actual picture. Mine was just as an example. So I would really like everybody to go in and complete this by the end of the day Saturday, just as a start, so we can get everybody's image up on the discussion board, and then we can begin a discussion. I know that Jen, your vice president, will also be chiming in and adding some discussion boards as well. I'm in contact with Tyler to see where we're at in terms of your current participation and grades, so no need to be concerned about that. And I just want you all to know, and I speak for Jen as well, when I say that we are really excited to help you finish this class. I know that these times are not easy. We do appreciate your patience and everybody working together to make sure that that we've gotten you guys what you need, and just hang in there. We know these are unprecedented times, but I want you to know that everybody here at River Valley is here to help if you need anything. I'm available to meet with you if you'd like individually via Zoom or as a class, or you're welcome to email me. I'll post my email up here for you all in case you have any questions at all. I hope this video was helpful. I look forward to seeing everyone's drawings.